How to change contact name font style without using any application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can change contact name font style without using any application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you have to do is first of all open up your contact application in your mobile device, and here you have to select the contact that you would like to change. For example, I have this contact right here, then tap on the edit icon at the top right. Once you are here, you can select the name. Now you have to open up a browser, and there you have to search for the website that is LingoJam. So search for lingojam.com, and once you are here, you have to paste the text that you have copied recently, and under that you will see various font style that you can choose from. So here you can choose one font style according to your preferences. For example, I have this right here. You have to tap on it and then simply copy it. Now once you have copied that, you can get back to the contact, and here you can clear this name, and here you can paste in the name. Once you're done with that, simply tap on the save button at the top right corner, and there you go. Now the font style of this contact name is changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.